So the last time I tried to do this, I absolutely butchered it. I spent hours trying to get these pins out. I bought the tools, they didn't work. I ended up wrecking this connector and it just didn't work. Part of the problem was that I was mixing an ER6 harness with a Versys dashboard and nothing lined up. This time around it's going to be a little bit easier. I've got the right connector, the right crimp tool, and the wiring matches. And once you get the hang of it and you've got a better idea, it's actually not too bad. We're going to get a clean, solid connection exactly how it should be. Now we just need everything else to behave. When the pins go in, you lift up that black connector or that black clip, and when you're done, you got to push that back down, and all of those pins, the 8 pins, the 15 pins, need to line up. So I've been able to get the connector into the instrument panel, and I can remove it, but I just haven't been able to fully flatten that clip down. So provided there's no hidden gremlins in this wiring harness, we're at the point now where we can put the wiring harness into the bike and start hooking everything up. Still 1 or 2 more pieces of the puzzle to arrive. We're a lot closer than we were a few weeks ago. So that's exciting. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.